How to fix Instagram ad mentions not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram ad mention not working. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to check the person privacy settings. So some users disable mention from people they don't follow. So if they have turned this on, then you won't be able to tag them. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to make sure that the username is correct. So here, if you're tagging someone, then there you always have to be sure to add the @ at first before writing their name. And with that, if you write @ then the username will appear and will not be misspelled. So with that, the mention will work. And with this, moving forward to the step 3, that is to use mention stickers in stories. So here, if you're posting story about something on the Snapchat, then here what you can do is you can just tap on multiple stickers, and there you can mention, or you can search and select the account that you want to tag. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the Instagram app. So here what you can do is simply open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram app, and there if you find any update button, then you can just tap on it to update the app to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to restart or reinstall the Instagram app. So here what you can do is simply close the Instagram app completely, and after that you can simply reopen it. But if the problem still persists, then you can simply uninstall the Instagram app and reinstall it again from the Google Play Store. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.